Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you an amazing organic trick that can bring your plants back to life and boost flowering fast. If your plants look weak, stop growing, or just refuse to bloom, don't worry. This simple method can change everything. And the best part, it's completely natural and super affordable. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more powerful plant tips. Now let's get started. Today's secret ingredient is beetroot. Yes, just one beetroot can help your plants grow stronger and produce more flowers. Here's what you need to do. Take one medium beetroot and cut it into small pieces. Put it in a blender and add 1 liter of water. Blend it well for about 2 minutes until you get a rich, red liquid. Next, strain the mixture to remove any solid pieces. This step is important so your plants absorb nutrients easily. Now your organic fertilizer is ready. Apply this liquid directly to the soil around your plants. Beetroot is packed with essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and important minerals that support healthy growth and flowering. Use this fertilizer once every 15 days, and you'll start seeing visible results very quickly. That's it. Simple, powerful, and completely organic. Try it on your plants and watch them thrive. If you enjoyed this tip, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.